So the house is here in Lake Calhoun. I'm still walking to meet my friend. It's a long walk. It took me 30 minutes to find a parking spot. And let's go to the beach. Look at these houses. They're all the same. When the light's blinking, that means it's recording. Okay, say something. Hello! I got my friends. Look, I broke my nose. Yeah. Okay, I just don't have to fall in, right, Em? Yeah! Our friends are over there. They're little speedsters. When my brother sees this, he's going to be so mad because he said, if that adhesive falls off, you better get out. Sorry, Victor. There they go again. They always leave me behind. Such good friends. There are the 5 girls. Oh, 1 foot, 1 foot, 1 foot. No, you got it. She did not fall. Well, technically she fell, but not into the water. Yeah! I got bored. You gotta keep going. And I thought you said you didn't have. Because it's so hard. Those are the best yoga moves I've seen. So I did think about it. Hi, people. This is Tori. Tori, wave to them. This is for our vlog. Oh, dear. That's Opal. Hello, Opal. That's Emily. That's Toulouse over there. The Asian one. Sorry, don't go to the grass. She's stuck, people. She's stuck. We are at Lake of the Isles. Very beautiful. There's my sister. I'm gonna do yoga. You guys ready for this? Which one? Yoga pose number 1. Yoga fail. Total yoga fail. My yoga pose.
These days I won't forget.
Nice getting up, Opal. Warrior! So they're getting in a line so I can take a picture of them, so I won't be in the picture, so here I am. I don't know what Allie's doing. So I just took a picture. I wasn't in it, but now I don't know what they're doing. What are you guys doing? They're coming to me so I can take a picture of all of us. Yay!
Hello.
Say something to our fans.
Gracias por visitarnos y por
Thank you for visiting us.
Y ser nuestros amigos.
Thanks for being our friends.
Eso es todo.
And that's all.
Get in! Hold it! Get this!
Okay, so there's Allie, Tori, Opal,
What is?
Lee. Here's me in the middle, Emily, Mixes.
I'll go to that end. What angle do I do that?
Yeah, it's on camera, so you just sit us all.
You sick yet? Anybody? Anybody?
I'm not kidding. Oh my gosh, it was right in my face.
Okay, we might need to.
So hopefully that picture worked. I'm gonna bump into, oh look how graceful she is. She's like Pocahontas.
Flower.
looks like a mixture of Cinderella and Sleeping Beauty. What are you doing? What do you do? Aww. Yeah.
Lost my flower.
She met her literal flower.
Like my literal flower.
The white flower, the pure flower. She lost it. Hey, we're not moving. You're like stuck.
I know. There we go.
Celebrations of our death, but never a day. She's my place to rest. And sometimes I would, and sometimes I could feel blessed. And sometimes I should, and sometimes I could feel less.
Jacket I didn't use. They're my friends. Say hello, friends.
Yo, VIP. Let's kick it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby.
Ready? I don't know. Hello. I'm walking to go find my friends again. We're gonna go see some fireworks. The Aquatennial fireworks. They're pretty awesome. I would say they're a little more boom than 4th of July. Yeah, but next time you'll see me, I'll be with them, hopefully. Look at all the people. You control We are waiting for the fireworks.
That's the worst.
Tori. Say hello.
Hello. It's time for some Target fireworks.
Tell us something for the vlog.
Hey! We're here for the fireworks. We have Allison, this is Bridger, and me, of course. Talise, her real name is not Talise, you should know that. Talise, that's Jonathan, and this would be Ryan. Little Ryan, we call him. But that's good. That's everybody. I wish she did. What? You had to put it as Ryan.
This is Ryan. This is little Ryan.
Little Ryan. Well, this is Little Ryan. Anyway, so we went paddleboarding. After Talise and I did our triathlon challenge. Talise, tell them about our triathlon challenge.
Rocked it. And Tori swam.
She didn't drown. I know how to swim. I did not drown. Oh, so tonight we have the original hipster here. You see those polka dots? I mean, those are cool, right? Original hipster. Talise got super excited when she heard about original hipsters. Awesome! Oh, you can probably, how do I zoom out now? Allison, she's our director and our producer, and she knows all about the cameras. Bridger's blocking our view. He just doesn't know how to vlog, apparently. So Talise and I went swimming today, and running, and biking. That was pretty intense. Hello. And then we went paddleboarding. Tell them about paddleboarding. Alley 5 almost fell in.
Are people gonna watch this?
Our lives are interesting.
watching Ryan.
People watch this?
People will watch this, especially when you talk about your big little Ryan. Your little big Ryan.
That was you. And Toulouse.
Anyway, now we're waiting for the fireworks. We're in downtown Minnesota. Minnesota nice or whatever, you know. It's my accent. Bridger wishes he had it. He does not have an accent.
Good question, right?
Anyway, waiting for the fireworks.
I want that cut. I do not wish I had the accent.
We
I want a cut.
will return when the fireworks begin. Holla!
I'm not doing it on command.
Do it!
Seconds.
You did it on command just now.
Right light.
Emily, I'll buy you a big corn.
Emily, I've ate about half an acre of corn already. And I'm a little full, just a little. So you can have the rest of my acre. Thanks, Emily. I love you. I love you forever and ever, Emily.
Yeah, it's been going for
I just
20
smiling.
seconds.
My name is Talise. And
It rhymes with
Police, or Feliz Navidad. I love the Timberwolves and basketball, and I love life. I love love, and I love laughing, and food, and my friends, and I'm a Mormon.
Emily. I like water. I like to drink it. I like to be in it, buy it. I like to, I don't know. I love Minnesota. We're here to watch fireworks. It's gonna be a good time. Done.
I know German. I'm awkward, and evidence is here right now. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. Live it up. Why would you? I don't know. What else? I'm a pharmacist.
You like drugs? I thought you said you like drugs.
No, I don't like drugs. I don't ever take them, but I give them to little children. Make them feel better. I like to read and eat food.
Hi, my name is Allison. I'm usually the person behind this camera. I feel like there's going to be a lot of selfie video of me. I'm a teacher. I love music. I play the guitar and the ukulele. Amateur pianist, very amateur. I teach 4th grade, and I love to travel, even though I don't do it much. I'm Chilean, and I like to eat, but I don't know how to cook. It's one thing I'm trying to work on. But that's me in 20 seconds.
Say?
The hair one?
No, what am I supposed to say? Oh, how's my hair? So I'm Tori. What am I supposed to say?
20 seconds about you.
About me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm into bugs, I guess. I'm from Utah, but I'm in Minnesota right now. To be determined for how long.
I don't know how long.
So we'll see. I'm friends out here with these girls. I don't know anything else.